Yes, come on in. I am live here in Sulphur, Louisiana. We have a blizzard going on, a snow blizzard. I wanted to go on live to just talk about to all my family up north that are always saying all we have is hurricanes. Well, this is proof that now we have blizzards. So not only do we have hurricanes, ice storms, floods, now we have blizzards. So if you notice, can you put in the cameraman? Follow me.
This is the furthest I'm going, boo, with these.
She's not used to this. No! Oh, you know what? The roofs are insane. Give me this camera, let me show. We got this around here. It's like look at the roofs. Look at this. Look at this. Like total blizzard. I stayed with my daughter last night. My husband and I had to stay on the west side of the bridge due to work schedules. So yeah, look at this. Look at this. So we probably got at least 3 inches, 4 inches of snow here. So I think I got you guys beat. To all my family, Missouri, all you guys out there, I think I got y'all beat. Because now we do hurricanes, floods, blizzards, snow. We do it all around here. We do it all. Louisiana, we have it all. Just like food, we have boudin, we have jambalaya, gumbo, spicy food. We have it all. We have a variety out here. So therefore, I'm assuming we have to have a variety of weather. So I'm loving this life here. I'm loving it. All right. So hunkering in. You guys stay safe out there. Stay safe.